If you are wondering if Google Pixel 11 supports 4K 120 frames per second video recording, then let's check that out. Let's just go to the camera. We're gonna switch to the video mode, and then we can tap on the setting icon in the bottom left corner. Now over here in the video settings, we have the option to choose 4K resolution, but unfortunately in the frame rate section, or FPS, there is no 120 frames per second option available. However, there's one more thing that we can check. We can go to the slow motion mode, and we can try to find any information what frame rate is used. But it seems that there is actually no information whatsoever. We should be able to pick up one of these two speed options, so I assume that one of them might actually use 120 frames per second. However, at the same time, here in the upper left corner, we can see the current resolution. So we have full HD resolution and we cannot change it. So it is not possible to use 4K resolution and 120 frames per second. I assume that 1/4 is the 120, and then here we have 240 frames per second. And this is usually how it looks like. So while it is possible to record videos using 120 frames per second with the help of the slow motion mode, unfortunately we cannot do that using 4K resolution. Leave a like and subscribe.